Ask 100 different people how to sharpen a chisel. You'll get at least 50 different answers. Everything from buy a new one or rub it on a brick, to use a liquid nitrogen cooled grinder followed by 17 different grades of Japanese waterstone. Now, for years I used one of these, Northern India oilstone, nothing wrong with it. I've also used diamond plates and various other methods. But today I'm going to show you the method I've used for the last probably couple of years. It's quick, it's simple, and above all, it's cheap. Bit of reshaping work to do, which, and it was a bench grinder, doesn't have to be anything fancy. I think this was sort of 15 quid from an auction. So the only thing that really matters is they want a good coarse wheel on it. Don't worry about what the wheel's made out of. For tool steel it doesn't really matter, just buy the coarsest wheel you can find. The coarser it is, the quicker it cuts, the cooler it cuts. Again, when it comes to the bevel, a lot of people like a nice fully polished bevel on there. Really doesn't need it. The only thing that matters is the hone-in bevel that we're going to put on later. Now you can buy all sorts of jigs and rests for grinders, but personally I don't bother. Just use the standard rest that comes with the grinder. This wheel I use for turning tools. I've put a slightly wider bar in it, just makes things easy, but for normal chisels I just use this plate. If you're worried about keeping a consistent handle, you could screw a little block of wood down to it at the right angle. Makes things a bit easier, but as I say, myself, don't bother. So to start with, I'm just going to square the end of the chisel up. Keep going until we get rid of any of the damaged parts. Check it with a square. Spot on square. So you can see we've got a little flat portion there now that we need to grind away. Take it nice and steady. Every now and again, quick dip in some water to keep it cool. Start seeing any colour whatsoever, you want to stop because we've already started affecting the temper. In fact, you shouldn't see any colour. See, we're getting closer. Now for the interesting bit. This is where I sharpen my chisels, and plain irons, knives, carving tools, pretty much anything really. And all it is an MDF disc mounted in a lathe. You could use a bench grinder or another motor of some description, doesn't really matter, be as cheap as you like. Then onto that MDF disc, put some of this green cutting compound. Turn the lathe on. Rub some compound onto the disc, select the angle that you want, a little bit of pressure. You see the metal it's taking off there, so it goes black. There we go, bevel. A little bit more compound. Make there's no bears left on the back. I'm assuming you've already polished the back on your chisels, by the way. If you haven't, about 10 minutes work. There we go. And there we've got a razor sharp chisel. So, there we have it. Nice sharp chisel that will easily pare down any grain. There we go. Well, normal day-to-day use, once your chisel gets blunt, just bump that up a little bit on here. Don't cut now. Back over to this. What did that take? 15-20 seconds? I'm back in business. Now if you're out on site and you don't have the spinning disc to hand, all we need is a scrap of MDF, keep a bit of the compound in your toolbox, rub that on there, pull backwards. Takes a bit longer. Still gives the same results. So, there we have it. Nice sharp chisel, and all we needed was a cheap grinder, piece of MDF, and some of this green cutting compound. Hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, then hit the subscribe button, and we'll, all being well, be bringing you quite a few of these videos over the next few months. Thanks for watching.